Hey everybody, and today we're going to be swapping out the steering wheel in my 997.1 for a carbon fibre one. So first thing you're going to do is make sure you've disconnected the battery, leave it for a good 10 minutes, make sure you leave the front frunk open as well, don't lock it, otherwise you won't be able to open it again to be able to connect your battery back up, so watch out for that one. I've just put a towel down on mine, which I'll show you in a bit, just to stop it accidentally latching. Okay, first thing you'll do then, once you've waited the 10 minutes, in order to release this airbag here, what you've got to do, there's a little hole underneath here. Let's see if we can show you that. So where's the screwdriver? So you can see there. And what we've got is a hole right underneath there where the screwdriver goes through. Well, I've used a posi drive. Then you just push it up. And I'll show you on another steering wheel shortly how you do that. And then when you push it up, what you'll see is the airbag then releases out. And then what you can do is disconnect the airbag. So again, what you then can do is just straight away undo the plug and undo. There we go. Okay, so that starts to undo that. From there, I'm still plugged in, so then can undo the next bit. Right everybody, I've undone one of the airbag clips, but I was just trying to show you here. So screwdriver here, unclip that, that then comes up, and then you should just be able to unscrew it. Sorry, just pull it up and it'll come straight off. Okay, that's now your airbag totally disconnected. Okay, next step, obviously having a look in there, you just need to find the spline, which I believe is a T55, but I'm just going to go in there and have a look. Right everybody, next step, put in your T55, hold your steering wheel with your knees and then get your purchase on it. Ooh. And then pull. What you don't want to do is open this against, put the pressure against your steering lock, because that's all you don't want to do is break that. That'd be a very, very expensive option, I'm sure. Right.
Okay, in a good position. Okay, there's the belt.
Okay everybody, so next steps, try and do this while I'm on the camera. Make sure you've got your steering wheel dead in the centre where you want it, and then you should just be able to pull that out. And there you go. Okay, let's grab the other one and put the other one in. Okay, and that's the next one pushed on. Obviously we've got to swap all the controls, such as the Tiptronic, but we'll go through that and show you how we do that. Okay everybody, next on the list, we've got to take out the airbag holding bracket. Let's get all them loose. forward this bit to taking it out. Okay, that's now all the screws taken out, and that just lifts out. Just like that. Okay, now our existing steering wheel, do exactly the same thing, take the frame out. Okay, now you've took that plate out. Right, you need to undo this screw here. You need to undo this screw here. And then in order to get this module out, there's two little clips just there that you've just got to push in and it should all come out. So we'll have a go and see how easy that is. Right everybody, just on my bench, just got it in my wash bucket, resting on some sponges, nice and soft. So once you've undone the screws, this just pulls up. If you look under here, you'll see some little rubber, like soft plastic, that just go into those nodules. Same on the other side. So you're just pulling them up. And the module, as I say, I've unclipped it. And that is it. Whole wiring out. Let's put that back in the car. Okay, so I'm starting to put the wiring back. Let's have a look. There's the nodules. See one. And then should just be able to manipulate that back into place. There she goes. Perfect. You should just be able to do the same on the other side. Let's just have a look. See if we can line up the holes. That's it. Then we can just tighten the screws. And that's for the layout of the cables. The cable pretty much lays itself. Just going to run the tongue clip just behind there. Sorry. There you go. So you can just see I've got the cables clipped in behind. Nice job. All the cables all the way around. Screw holes line up nicely. Right, get the screws, put them in. Right, everybody, I'm on the final parts of just tightening up these bolts. I'm just doing them all hand tight. I'll just finish that off and come back to it. Right, hey everybody. Right, after putting my steering wheel back on, I'm getting PSM and PASM failure. Had a quick look on Google, as you do, and it looks like it's my steering angle sensor. So obviously when I put the steering wheel back on, I obviously didn't manage to get it on exactly the same as the one I took off. I'm sure I'll be getting comments about what I've done wrong, which will be good to know actually, so if you could put them comments on how I could have done it. Because I thought about marking it up when I lined it up, but obviously I've been marking up the old steering wheel, not the new one. So if anyone's got any good ideas, let me know. But anyway, I've now loaded my iCar software in. Don't know if you can all see that. There you go. And I'm going to see if now I can calibrate the steering angle sensor. So we're going to give that a whirl. So if we went obviously to service and enter that. And if we go to steering, that one, for Porsche, just pick whatever it is, version 1120, latest version. Pick my car, 997. Right, so turn ignition on. So my ignition is on. Ignition is on. Press my F2. Oh, try and do this so we can all see what's going on. Right, prior to calibration, steering wheel first must be moved plus or minus 20 degrees. Right, so if we do that, dink, and then back to centre. I think that's right. Is that what that's saying? Then steering wheel straight and start calibration with OK. F2 for OK. Safety note, wheels position straight ahead and steering wheel horizontal. Steering may deviate plus or minus when driving straight ahead. Okay. Looks good to me. Looks about straight. Let's do F. Okay, let's go for it. Calibration running. Calibration has been completed successfully. F2 OK. Okay. Let's go back. System looks like it's resetting itself. Let's just get rid of the oil thing. 219 miles. Checking the wheels are straight. Let's start her up. She looks good. No errors. I'll just give her a rev first. She's the 4S so you can hear what she sounds like. All good. Okay, oil pressure, get rid of that. And we'll just check PASM. PASM normal. PASM sport. And then PASM off. PSM off. PSM on. PASM normal. We're good. And there you go. That is the steering wheel changeover.